Thanks for having me, Emma.
We're here to talk about a really practical topic: daily routine English conversation in the big city. This is real-life English for beginners, designed to help you navigate your day from the coffee shop to the subway, all with an authentic USA accent and tone.
By the end of this hour, you'll learn essential phrases for asking directions, ordering food, talking to a coworker, and handling everyday city situations. These aren't just textbook phrases, they're the language people actually use.
Exactly. So, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe right now to make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. Hit that button.
Let's get started. We're going to structure this as a series of short, useful conversations you might have in a major American city.
Emma. Okay, let's start with the most important part of the day for many city dwellers: the coffee run.
Alex. Absolutely. It's often your first interaction with a stranger.
I'll be the customer and you'll be the barista.
Sounds good? Clears throat. Hi there, welcome to the Daily Grind. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. I'll take a large black coffee, please. And can I also get a plain bagel, toasted?
Sure thing. Toasted bagel. Do you want any cream cheese or butter on that?
Just a little butter, thanks. And actually, do you have any almond milk for the coffee, or is it only dairy?
We definitely have almond milk. It's right on the condiment bar. That will be $5.75. Cash or card?
Card, please. I'll use the tap. Sound of a beep.
All right, your coffee is coming right up. Your bagel will be ready in about 3 minutes. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
That's a classic interaction. Notice how Emma used "I'll take" and "can I also get." Very natural ways to order.
And Alex, your use of "sure thing" and "coming right up" is common, friendly service language. Remember, everyone, if you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to subscribe.
Next, let's talk about public transit. Big cities mean using the subway or the bus, which often requires asking for help.
This is where the direct "excuse me" is vital. You need to interrupt someone politely.
I'll be a tourist and you'll be the busy commuter. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm trying to get to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Which line should I take?
No problem at all. You need the Uptown 4 or 5 train. Are you at the 59th Street stop now?
Yes, I am. And which direction is Uptown? Do I go up or down these stairs?
Go down these stairs and look for the sign that says Uptown in the Bronx. The downtown trains go the wrong way.
Okay, the Uptown 4 or 5, got it. How many stops is it approximately?
It's about 7 stops to 86th Street. Then you can walk 2 blocks west. It should take about 20 minutes in total.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Good luck. In a big city, people are usually willing to help, but they're often in a rush. Keep your questions clear and quick, like Alex did with "which line" and "how many stops."
Also, notice the phrase, "I'm sorry to bother you." It's a polite way to start a request with a stranger. It softens the approach.
Now, let's move to a workplace setting. You've made it to the office, and you meet a new colleague in the break room.
This is a great chance to practice small talk and professional introductions.
I'm Emma, a new hire, and you're Alex, an established team member. Hi, I don't think we've officially met. I'm Emma. I just started in marketing this week.
Oh, hey, Emma. Welcome to the team. I'm Alex. I work in finance. It's great to finally meet you. B. You too. I was actually just grabbing a water. How are you liking the new office setup? A. It's an improvement for sure. The open plan took some getting used to, but the coffee machine on this floor is a definite plus. What department are you in exactly?
I'm on the digital content team. It's been a busy first week. Do you know who I should talk to about setting up my direct deposit?
That would be Sarah in HR. She's usually on the 3rd floor. I can send you her email if you like.
That would be a huge help, thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Let me know if you have any other questions. See you around, Emma.
That was a perfect professional chat. I don't think we've officially met, is formal yet friendly, and asking "how are you liking" is a great way to start small talk about a shared experience.
And notice the use of "definitely" and "for sure" to sound natural and confident. Before we move to our next section, let me quickly remind everyone again. We're releasing new conversation lessons every week, so be sure to subscribe. Everyday life involves errands. Let's practice a quick exchange at a city market or grocery store.
I'll be the customer looking for something specific, and you're the store employee. Excuse me, I'm looking for the organic chicken broth. Do you know what aisle it's in?
Yes. The chicken broth is on aisle 7, right past the pasta. The organic options are usually on the top shelf.
Thanks. Also, do you happen to carry fresh dill? I can't seem to find it.
We do. That will be in the produce section, in the refrigerated case with all the other herbs. It's near the lettuce.
Great. Thanks so much. And how much is that carton of eggs?
Those are $3.99 for a dozen. There's a sign right there.
I see it now. Thanks for your patience. I appreciate the help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping.
Using I'm looking for and do you happen to carry are fantastic phrases for asking about item locations. They are more polite than simply asking where is the broth.
And don't be afraid to ask about the price. How much is a simple, effective question that works everywhere. Remember, clear, slow speech is key, especially when asking for directions or prices.
Let's practice a dinner out. A big part of city life is trying new restaurants. We'll cover arrival, ordering, and asking for the check.
This involves a lot of specific vocabulary. I'll be the host and server, and you'll be the dining party. Good evening. Welcome to Bella's Bistro. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. Yes, we do. It's under the name Emma for 2 people.
Just a moment. Yes. Here we are. Right this way. Can I get you started with anything to drink?
I'll have sparkling water with a slice of lemon, please. My friend will take a regular Coke.
Wonderful. I'll be back in a moment with your drinks and to take your order. The specials tonight are on the board. A returns.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'd like the seared salmon, please, but could I substitute the mashed potatoes for a side salad?
Absolutely, no problem. And for you, Alex? I'll have the spicy chicken pasta. And please make sure there are no bell peppers. I have an allergy.
Understood. No bell peppers for the pasta. I'll make a note of that for the kitchen. So that's 1 seared salmon with a side salad and 1 chicken pasta with no bell peppers. Did I get that right?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Later, B calls the server.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Certainly. How was everything tonight?
The salmon was delicious. Everything was great. Thanks.
I'm glad to hear it. I'll bring your bill right out. This scene is packed with useful phrases. Under the name, can I get you started with, and substitute, for, are all things you'll hear and use constantly.
And notice the emphasis on clearly stating a dietary restriction. Make sure there are no bell peppers is a very important and direct way to communicate. And don't forget to be polite when calling your server with a clear, "Excuse me."
Let's pause and make sure you've all hit that subscribe button. We've covered a lot of ground in the daily routine so far. Living in a big city means crowded spaces, and sometimes you just need to ask someone to move, or you need to ask a favor.
Let's practice being both the person asking and the person responding. We'll be on a crowded sidewalk. Pardon me, could I just squeeze by you? I'm in a bit of a rush.
Oh, sure, go right ahead. Sorry about that. Later, Alex needs to find a restroom.
Excuse me, I know this is random, but do you know where the nearest public restroom is? Or a place I could use one?
There isn't a public one nearby, but there's a Starbucks just down the block. They usually let people use their facilities.
That's a great tip, thanks. Which way is down the block?
Go past the bookstore, turn left at the traffic light, and it will be right there across from the pharmacy.
Perfect directions. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Could I just squeeze by you? Is a perfect phrase for crowded sidewalks or stores. It acknowledges the inconvenience, but is very clear.
And Alex's question, do you know where the nearest public restroom is a classic emergency question. Knowing that commercial places like coffee shops are often the best bet is good knowledge for any city. Finally, let's wrap up the day with a casual chat about evening plans.
We'll practice arranging to meet up, confirming details, and saying goodbye.
I'm Emma, calling Alex on phone. Hey, Alex, it's Emma. What are you up to tonight?
Hey, Emma. Not much. I was thinking of just ordering some takeout. Why, what's going on?
Well, I was going to see that new movie, City Lights. It's playing at the AMC downtown at 8:30. Do you want to come?
Oh, that sounds fun. I've been meaning to see that. What time should we meet?
Let's meet around 8:15 p.m. in the lobby, near the concession stand. That gives us time to get tickets.
Sounds like a plan. I can take the D train from my place. It should get me there on time. Should I grab the tickets online?
That would be great. Just grab both of them and I'll Venmo you my half when I see you.
Perfect. See you tonight then. Have a good rest of your afternoon.
You too. Bye. What are you up to tonight? Is a friendly, casual way to ask about someone's plans. And Venmo you is a very common American phrase now for sending money electronically.
And notice the use of phrases to confirm the plan. What time should we meet? And sounds like a plan. Always confirm the time and place.
That wraps up our 60 minutes of conversation practice. We've covered greetings, directions, ordering, shopping, and social planning. You now have a solid foundation for your daily routine in a big city.
Remember to practice these conversations out loud. Imitate the speed and the American tone we used. Repetition is key to fluency.
And seriously, don't just listen. Speak, read the transcripts, and practice them every day.
Before we sign off, a final essential request. If this lesson helped you, please give us a thumbs up and, most importantly, subscribe to the Speak Slow English channel. Your support helps us create more lessons like this.
Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.